Our journey begins in the ancient civilization of Mesopotamia, around 7,000 years ago. Here, people cultivated wheat and barley, and the first recorded recipes were inscribed on clay tablets. These recipes, showcasing a variety of stews and broths, mark the birth of what we now recognize as Middle Eastern cuisine. Next, we move to ancient Egypt, around 5,000 years ago. The Egyptians had a diverse diet of vegetables, fruits, and fish from the Nile. Bread, made from emmer wheat, was a staple, and beer, brewed from barley, was a common beverage. Thus, the foundation of Mediterranean cuisine was laid. The next significant milestone is ancient China. Around 3,000 years ago, rice cultivation was widespread, and soybeans were introduced. The art of stir-frying was born, and the use of seasonings like soy sauce and vinegar became prevalent, marking the birth of Chinese cuisine. Our journey then takes us to ancient Greece, around 2,500 years ago. The Greeks loved their wine and olives, and their diet was based on the three grains: wheat, barley, and millet. This era was instrumental in shaping what we now know as Greek cuisine. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, Europe saw an explosion of culinary techniques and ingredients. Spices from the East, like pepper and cinnamon, were introduced, and the art of baking was refined. This period laid the foundation for the diverse European cuisines we see today. Modern cuisine, as we know it, started taking shape in the 17th century, particularly in France. The concept of haute cuisine, characterized by elaborate preparations and presentations, was born. The French Culinary Revolution didn't just influence France, but it spread across the world, influencing other cuisines along the way. In the 20th century, the rise of globalization and cultural exchange led to the birth of fusion cuisine. This type of cuisine blends elements from different culinary traditions while maintaining their distinct flavors. Fusion cuisine has given us exciting dishes like sushi burritos and kimchi tacos, proving that the culinary world is truly a melting pot of cultures. In summary, the evolution of global cuisine is a fascinating tale of human innovation, cultural exchange, and a love for good food. From the basic stews of ancient Mesopotamia to the refined techniques of French haute cuisine and the adventurous blends of fusion cuisine, our culinary journey has been diverse and exciting. The beauty of food lies in its ability to tell a story, to connect us with different cultures, and to bring people together. As we look forward to new culinary innovations, we remember and appreciate the rich history that has shaped our global gastronomy.